Are you looking for the best massage guns? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best massage guns on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Therabody Theragun Prime. Best 4. Try this device if you're willing to pay top dollar for a powerful, well-designed massage gun with an upscale feel. It's also Bluetooth enabled, which allows you to pair it with your phone and follow guided programs via the companion app. Why we like it: the compact Therabody Theragun Prime has a triangular handle, which allows for multiple grip options meant to ease ergonomic strain. We found it nice to occasionally switch our grip, and doing so provided added leverage when we wanted to apply more pressure. It has 5 speeds, from 1750 ppm to 2400 ppm, and a 16mm amplitude, the highest of all our picks. LED lights on the display show the speed and the battery level. The control button is conveniently located on the handle and accessible with a thumb. We like the ability to cycle up and down through all 5 speeds, a feature that none of our other picks have. If you want an advanced version of the Prime, the more expensive Theragun Elite has an extra attachment and an OLED display. Through the Therabody app, you can explore a bunch of guided programs. The Theragun Prime promises 2 hours of battery life, and in our tests it went the distance. Therabody covers it with a 1-year limited warranty. Key specs. Speeds, 5. Number of attachments, 4, cone, dampener, standard ball, thumb. Battery life, 2 hours. Weight, 2 pounds. FSA/HSA eligible, yes. Number 2. Ekrin Athletics B37. Best 4. We recommend this model for people who want a massage gun with an ergonomic bend, an exceptionally long battery life, 8 hours, and a notably strong warranty, lifetime. Why we like it: with a slightly angled handle and a decent dose of power, the Ekrin Athletics B37 delivers on comfort and force. Its grippy handle, angled at about 15 degrees, made reaching for our upper back or calves a little easier. It features 5 speeds, from 1400 ppm to 3200 ppm, and a 12mm amplitude. The B37 turns off automatically after 10 minutes of use, a measure that a customer service rep told us protects the motor from burnout in case the B37 is accidentally left running unattended. You can start it back up immediately. Considering the kinetic nature of massage guns, that scenario seems unlikely. But to check the integrity of the motor, we ran the device unattended for 15 minutes straight at various speeds and noticed just a bit of warmth. It promises 8 hours of battery life, tied for the longest of our picks. We didn't need to charge it once during our 3+ weeks of testing. Its lifetime warranty, the strongest by far of our picks, covers defects in materials or workmanship, including the battery, attachments, and motor. The massage gun comes with a sturdy enough carrying case. Key specs. Speeds, 5. Number of attachments, 4, ball, bullet, flat, fork. Battery life, 8 hours. Weight, 2.1 pounds. FSA/HSA eligible, no. Number 3. Mebak 3 Massage Gun. Best 4. You might like this model if you want a quieter massage gun, are willing to trade some intensity for that quality, and also want a wide range of attachments. Why we like it: we enjoyed using the quiet Mebak 3 massage gun, which has a touchscreen display. Despite its 5 speeds, 640 ppm to 3200 ppm, and 12mm amplitude, the Mebak 3 felt less powerful than comparably labeled models, but that wasn't necessarily a drawback. It's a solid choice for someone seeking a lower-key massage gun. The Mebak 3 has a main on-off switch at the base of its handle. You adjust the speed via the touchscreen display, which requires a lighter touch than physical buttons. It responded nicely for us. You cannot cycle both up and down through the 5 speeds, in contrast to the Therabody Theragun Prime's interface, which allows for that. Instead, each touch of the screen's fingerprint icon advances the speed up. A pressure sensor uses green, yellow, and red lights to indicate increasing amounts of pressure being applied during use, but they're tough to see when you're using the device on yourself. The Mebak 3 specs do not list a stall force. A number representing a percentage on the screen shows the battery level. As a safety precaution, the Mebak 3 shuts off automatically after 10 minutes of use. You can restart it immediately. When we ran the massage gun unattended for 15 minutes straight at various speeds, it did not overheat. The Mebak 3 comes with some attachments we don't always see: a shovel, a blade-like silhouette that can work the length of a muscle, and cushion, which provides a softer, more muted massage. It's quiet, too, as we were able to hear a TV show while we massaged, even at the tool's highest speed. The Mebak 3 promises 2 to 3 hours of battery life, and in our tests it lived up to that billing. It has a 1-year warranty. Key specs. Speeds, 5. Number of attachments, 7, bullet, bump, cushion, flat, fork, round, shovel. Battery life, 2 to 3 hours. Weight, 1.8 pounds. FSA/HSA eligible, no. Number 4. Opove M3 Pro Massage Gun. Best 4. This model is for people who are willing to sacrifice something easy to handle for more power or who want a quieter option from the Opove M3 Pro series. Why we like it. The Opove M3 Pro Massage Gun is an updated version of the Opove M3 Pro Max, a previous pick that we liked, but, like the newer M3 Pro, found to be big and bulky. The Opove M3 Pro is built with more amplitude and stall force, but at 2.5 pounds, it's the heaviest of our massage gun picks. However, it performs well in fulfilling multiple needs. The M3 Pro has 5 speeds and 6 attachments, so it's good for light recovery or for pressurized, targeted muscle relief. Despite its size, one tester who has small hands was able to maintain a good grip and found that it handled smoothly, even at the highest of speeds. It also doesn't vibrate down to the handle, although targeting hard-to-reach crevices on the body proved a bit difficult. The M3 Pro has an on-off switch at the base of its handle. The manual setting allows you to move freely through its speeds with the press of a button. The left side of a screen on the back of the massager has 5 bars, which light up depending on what speed you choose. Similarly, the battery level is shown on the right of the screen by a blue vertical line, which decreases as the battery is used up. The device's noise level is supposed to be lower than the M3 Pro Max, listed at under 55 decibels with a brushless motor to reduce sound, and we found that it was surprisingly quiet and did not interfere while watching TV or listening to a podcast. A tester with sensitive calf muscles worried about the power of the M3 Pro. Its 70 pounds of stall force is the most of our picks, but the variety of attachments allowed them to mix and match until they found a comfortable fit. The ball or fork felt the best on the lowest speed. The Opove M3 Pro has a 1-year warranty and comes with a sturdy carrying case. Key specs. Speeds, 5. Number of attachments, 6, ball, flat, fork, bullet, shovel, cushion head. Battery life, 8 hours. Weight, 2.4 pounds. FSA/HSA eligible, no. Number 5. Therabody Theragun Mini 2nd Generation. Best 4. Those looking for a compact massager that tackles the basics and is good for travel will like this pick. Why we like it. Some massage guns with a long handle feel like you have to guide them along the muscles, but the Therabody Theragun Mini 2nd Generation needs no such push. It's as easy as dragging a paintbrush. Its triangular, lightweight shape is easy to hold, and at just over 5 inches tall, it's better at reaching harder-to-reach surface areas on the body, such as the undersides of the legs. With a solid battery life, simple functionality, and not too loud sound, we could still hear a TV at normal volume while using it. Unlike the bigger Therabody Theragun Prime, this is a great entry option for someone looking to purchase a massage gun for the first time or for something to take on the go. It weighs 1 pound. Like the Theragun Prime, the Theragun Mini is Bluetooth-enabled and connects to the Therabody app, with access to guided programs. Key specs. Speeds, 3. Number of attachments, 3, standard ball, dampener, thumb. Battery life, 2 hours. Weight, 1 pound. FSA/HSA eligible, yes.